Yo, welcome to the Walden Paul reaction channel. I'm doing an international reaction today, meaning I am reacting to an international artist. Just a quick background, I am from South Africa. I have a reaction channel on YouTube, as you can see, and I do mostly my reactions is based on the Afrikaans language, which is my home language. And yeah, man, I'm just trying to keep it homegrown, you know what I mean? But I decided to do some international X as well. And yeah, so shout out to all my international viewers. Please make sure you subscribe and give a like. Kendrick Lamar, Not Like Us official music video. Here we go.
I am reincarnated. I was stargazing. Life goes on. I need all my babies. Woke up looking for the broccoli. Hot key, keep a horn on me.
Life goes on. I need all my babies. Ooh.
Stargazing. Life goes on. I need all my babies. Woke up looking for the broccoli. Hot key.
I think that's also like a line to Drake, if I'm not mistaken. Life goes on. I need all my babies. Knowing of all of the allegations that Kendrick said in Meet the Grahams. But yeah, let's go. This scene right here, it's actually very familiar if you think of Stranger Things and what's her name? 11. Like, if people come, like, she will let people go. But it's also like all the stuff Drake said. Like, Kendrick is just telling him, listen, that stuff is not even hitting the right spot, you know? Yeah. Were harmed during the making of this video. Kendrick is like someone he's not here to entertain social media, you know? He's someone that will just sit back and watch everything plays out while he's already orchestrating his plan on how he's going to spread his message to the world. Wow. Shout out Kendrick Lamar.
I'ma do my stuff. Why you trolling like a bitch?
Ain't you tired? Trying to strike a chord and it's probably A minor. Stories how you want. Hey Drake, they not slow. What? Did he say that? Fucked up. This can actually mean so much. Like, if you look at it, you know, if you keep the owl, you must lock the owl up. I don't know if you get what I'm saying. But yo, I had to do this one, man. Like, really. I'm a big Kendrick Lamar fan, and everybody can say that who's a truly Kendrick Lamar fan, you know? Wow. The owl behind bars. Directed by Dave Free and Kendrick Lamar. Yeah. Do you want me to react another let's do it again. I'm just playing. But anyway, yo, don't forget to subscribe, give me a like button, and this is to all the international viewers that just viewed this video of mine. Let me know in the comment sections if there is any international artist that you would like me to react to. Daima Maasa Kinders.